What is going on, guys? Dean here again with Team Debrew, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $100 per day with Instagram affiliate marketing step by step. What's up, guys? Dean here again with Team Debrew. Again, we're going to be talking about how to make $100 a day with Instagram affiliate marketing step by step. So let's go ahead and get started with the content. So the first thing that we need to do is to find an affiliate marketing product to promote. For today's video, I thought about using a product that we actually talked about the other day with free Instagram traffic methods. That we talked about the other day with free Instagram traffic methods. So I wanted to kind of compare the two, that way you guys could see how we did it for Instagram the free way versus how we could do it the paid way. So you guys are going to see the same setup today. We're actually going to use the same exact funnel and everything, except we're going to be doing it for Instagram story ads instead of using like a follow-unfollow method with Instagram's free traffic. So let's go ahead and go to Max Bounty and take a look at the offer. If you guys aren't aware, this is the offer that we ran the other day. It's called American Service Pets. This is the landing page itself. Basically, what's going on here is someone will come through and sign up to have their pet basically get a emotional support animal approval letter for their pets, which will help them with things like fees associated with housing. So I don't know about everywhere else, but in the United States, if you have a pet, there are breed restrictions where you live. This will help out with breed restrictions. It'll also help out with any kind of fees associated with your pet. A lot of places in the United States, at least, have pet deposits, pet rents that you have to pay every single month if your pet is going to live with you. This basically helps prevent that. It's kind of a gray hat workaround where if you have this information, you can actually not have to pay any of that stuff. So that's what this is. And basically, when someone comes through, purchase that from these people here, then we're going to go ahead and get paid. The lead for it is going to be $60 per lead. So that is what we are going to base off everything here today. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be promoting this with Instagram story ads. So what we'll have to do to be able to connect this offer with Instagram is create a ClickFunnels bridge page, which we already did the other day. So we'll just kind of briefly go over it here today. But the reason why we have to do that is because Instagram does not allow direct linking from Max Bounty to their platform. You will get banned, or it won't get approved, or whatever it may be. It doesn't work, pretty much. So what we'll have to do, we have to create the ClickFunnels landing page. It doesn't necessarily have to be ClickFunnels. That's what we're using here today. You could also use Amazon for this. You could also use other services as well. However, ClickFunnels, because of its ease of use, that's why I decided to use it here today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get started with this. Of course, we need to have a tracking link. So we'll go ahead and hit social, and we're going to do a raw link, and I'm just going to have that copied here. Now we need to go over to ClickFunnels. Oh, shoot. I think it's this one. It's not. This one. I accidentally clicked out of it, guys. I messed up. Maybe it's this one. There we go. So this is the one that we made the other day. If you guys don't remember it, let's go ahead and pull it up, and we'll go over it briefly of how it was made. Man, my internet is kind of slow today, or ClickFunnels is slow today at least. So this is the landing page that we created the other day. This was just made for an Instagram account using free method to gain traffic from this to the offer that we were just talking about. Today we're going to do a little differently. We're going to use the same exact landing page. However, we're going to be promoting it with Instagram paid ads. So I just want to go over briefly what we did here today. You can actually find this template inside the AFK form. So if you guys haven't already signed up for the AFK form, make sure you guys do that, as well as like and subscribe to the channel if you guys are liking the video. But you guys can find this template in there. It's going to be basic. It's not going to have all this customization on it. So I added this pet photo up here, as well as the yellow background, and as well as the ad copy up here. And then I just connected my affiliate URL by clicking on the actual funnel here. And I'll show you guys. I went to edit survey. Here are the two questions if you want to edit your questions. Outcomes, default outcome, and right here is where we place in the Max Bounty affiliate link that we see here. I'm not going to do it again because obviously it is still in there from the last time when I did it. So that is how you do it. Then you would just come back after you did that. You would hit save, and your page is all set up. So you just want to make sure that you have a bridge page to connect from Instagram to the actual offer, and today we are doing that with ClickFunnels, as you can see here. So to do that, what we would have to do next is we would have to go back and we need to copy this URL. And now that the ClickFunnels bridge page is all set up, all we need to do now is go over to the business manager for Facebook ads. This is my business manager for one of my accounts. Just really a test account. I don't do too much on here anymore. But I'm going to use it today to show you guys how to set up an Instagram story ad campaign for affiliate marketing products on Instagram with like Max Bounty like we just showed you here today. So we're going to go ahead and hit create. And let's see, we're going to do a traffic campaign because we want to have traffic to our ClickFunnels URL. So I'm going to name this something relevant. This is for Max Bounty, and let me spell that right. And this is for what is it? Emotional. I'll just put ESA letter. And I think no restrictions, right? 50 actions per day, but there's no age restrictions or anything, so cool. So traffic, and I guess we'll just put US because it's in the US. We'll hit continue. Man, I need to like restart my computer or something, guys. So it's going to be 18 plus. We're going to do male and female today. Typically, I would recommend only doing one. You want to test one thing at a time usually. So typically what I recommend is promoting or doing one for male, one for female, and doing one that's like a broad interest for both of those two, so you can kind of see how it works broad versus a detailed interest. So I'll show you guys here. We have it set up for United States. Here's 18 plus, and we are just because I want to go with what I just said, I'm going to set it up for male only. And you would also want to set up for female as well, so that way you can test the two. And this is for ESA letter. And then I always like to put in the language. I want to make sure that English is who this is being attracted to. In the United States, there are a lot of other language speakers here, not just English. So I want to make sure that my ads are being shown to the correct people and not people who can't necessarily understand what I'm saying. Detailed targeting, we could do things like pets or dogs, so we could do something like that. We could also do something like emotional support. Let's see if they have that. So they probably don't have emotional support, but they might have service animal. They do have service animal, so you can do things like service animal, you could do things like pets. There's a lot of different things that you could target, and this is really how you're going to find the winners and be able to make $100 a day, guys. So when you're doing these campaigns, you can't just run one or two ad sets. You really want to test out, 3, 4 different ad sets, testing out different interests, testing out male versus female. And this is how you're going to be able to find the real winners that you're going to be able to later scale to the next level and start making you $100 a day. So keep that in mind. For the placements, we don't want to do automatic placements because when it comes with automatic placements, Facebook is then going to start basically promoting all of your stuff to all of these check marks that you see here, and we don't need all of that. We only want Instagram story ads, so we're just going to take off desktop. That'll go ahead and remove a ton of them, and then we're going to go ahead and turn off the feeds. I don't care even if it is on Instagram. I don't want Instagram feeds. I only want Instagram stories. So I'm going to turn off Facebook stories as well. And Messenger stories, I only want Instagram stories here with a check mark. I'm going to keep scrolling. I'm going to turn all this other stuff off as well. I think that's it. So we're good to go with that. Now we're going to do for link clicks, because typically in the United States, link clicks does work better. This is something else that you also could test out, guys. Test out link clicks versus landing page views to see which one does better. For this, we're going to do the 3-day rule. Because the payout is $60, I am going to do 3 times the payout, which would be $180. Oh, wait, not per click. Wrong area. Daily budget. That would have been bad. 180 per day. Yes, it is high, but the payout is a lot higher too. It is a $60 payout, so if I can get conversions under $60 a day, this could be something pretty cool and make me a good amount of money from. Change this to link clicks and hit continue. So to run an Instagram story ad, you will need to be connected to a Facebook page on Instagram. It doesn't have to be anything crazy because this is just for Instagram story ads, but you need to have one connected in order for it to work. The next thing you need to do is upload your images. So typically, guys, we would show you guys exactly how to find the images, how to make the images. However, we have so many videos on this, including specific videos on how to make Instagram story ads. So if you guys want to know how to make Instagram story ads, check some of the other watch me build videos for Instagram, or check out some of the videos specific to how to make Instagram story ads. So these will help you guys out a lot with coming out with different things. What I need to do though is I need to go ahead and upload an image here. I'm going to add an image. Upload. Can't see which one it is, man. 1 second. Because I didn't save it in the right area, man. This is it. So here's a good example of like a one that you can make. So make your dog an emotional support animal. It's just got the brand logo on there. It's got the swipe up, and it's got the pattern break around the image. So I found all of this stuff on either the landing page itself or on Google. And you're just going to want to make around 5 to 6 different images with different angles, using different dogs, different things, to try and test out the software to see what you can make profitable. So that's the image itself. Once you have that image in there, the only other thing that you need to do is put this website URL in. This is our ClickFunnels URL. So if we go back to ClickFunnels and we copy this URL once again, we can come back to our business manager, add the URL, and it'll be all set. So there's that. And then from there, that's pretty much all set. You would just need to add your Facebook pixel, which you can add in ClickFunnels. I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. You would just come into settings right here. And then if you scroll down, you can add your Facebook pixel in the body over here. I also added in the header just for me being OCD. But you can add it into the body right here, and then you go ahead and make sure you scroll down to the bottom and you hit save and update settings. Otherwise, it's not going to save, guys. Make sure you do that on here. But after that, your Facebook pixel will be in there. That'll be all set, and it'll show like a little green arrow over here, and then you can just hit continue. And Facebook from that point on is going to go ahead and start approving your ads. They're going to make sure that it goes through abides by their policies. If it doesn't, they'll let you know what's wrong with it and how to change it. And then if not, then it'll just go ahead through a review process. If you've ran ads before, it's usually pretty quick. If you haven't ran ads before, however, it could take a little bit of time to get approved, so don't be alarmed.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.